Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear cache on Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on the message icon in the top in the bottom left. Then you need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and then you need to click on gear icon on the top right, and here you need to scroll down until you will find the option of account actions clear cache. Click on that option, and then you need to click on continue. All of your cache will be cleared, your memories backup won't be deleted. Once you click on continue, your cache will be cleared. So this is the process by which you can clear cache on Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.